So the ELWA junction, the road is on course, and of course you can see back there. Very soon it will be connected. The trucks, oh yeah, they have started hauling some crush racks, and very soon the entire place will be paved. So this is True Liberia, and we always bringing you issues when it comes to development and other things. And as you can see, the entire ELWA junction is not being cleared. And a few weeks from now, so you see the trucks are all packed. They are holding a crush rack to get the first phase of it done. And of course, the way that connect to the GSA road also. So most of the clearing has been done already. So very soon we're going to experience wasting of crush racks from both sides. This side go down to the GSA road, while this side go to the SKD. And of course, the AB Turbo Road portion as well. And this side go all the way at the 72nd Boulevard. So the guys are working 24/7, 7-day week. So I believe in the next 2 weeks or 1 week, when we come the first phase of the quota, I believe that it will be, the process will be ongoing. The portion that is going down to the SKD. This is just right around the LRA. So gradually the work is actually ongoing, and very soon this entire place gonna get its real look. So the way you're looking out there is going to the AB Turbo, and further ahead of you is going to the GSA road. This is just right. This is just right at the turning point, the main intersection that lead around as the AB Turbo Road, GSA road, and that of the ELWA junction. So the work is actually ongoing. So we are in the month of June. We believe that before this month comes to an end, we're going to see a significant portion of the work being done on this portion of road leading from the ELWA junction to that of Liberia International Airport. So just wherever you are, we'd like to say thanks for watching True Liberia, and follow our broadcast on Facebook page, follow us, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and of course you can also follow on Instagram. If you have a business with promotions, you can also contact us, and we're going to be available to do just that for you. Thanks for watching again, and this is True Liberia.